Hi, welcome to the Hard Reset Me for Cars channel. Behind me, you can see the MG3 Hybrid Plus. In this video, I will show you how to replace the wipers, as well as how to activate the service mode for the front wipers. Let's get started. As you can see, the service mode for the front wipers is required for replacement because if you try to lift them, they hit the hood. To activate the service mode for the front wipers, turn on the ignition. After that, please go ahead and turn off the ignition completely, and then, within a window of 10 seconds, make sure to push the wiper lever all the way down to complete the process. To properly replace your vehicle's windshield wipers, first gently fold the wiper arm up away from the glass. Once it is in the upright position, locate the small release buttons on both sides of the connector. Press these buttons firmly, and then carefully slide the old wiper blade out of the assembly to complete the removal process. Now you can replace just the rubber blade or the entire wiper. The procedure is exactly the same for the wiper blade on the other side of the vehicle. Now let's move on and go to the back to finish up. To properly replace the rear wiper arm on your vehicle, first gently lift the plastic cover to open it up and then carefully tilt the arm assembly back just like this until it locks into position. Once you have done that, you will have easy access to the mechanism, allowing you to either swap out just the worn rubber blade itself or, if necessary, replace the entire wiper arm assembly with a brand new one. Fold it back, close it, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, leave a subscription, a like, and a comment.